Vayamach es kol hayakum, HaKadosh Baruch Hu destroyed everything around. So what was left? The pasuk says, Vayishaer ach Noach. Only Noach was left. Asks Rabbi Yaakov Yosef Mipolana, one of the greatest Talmidim of the Baal Shem Tov. Before the flood, the Torah calls Noach Ish Tzadik Tamim, complete righteous individual, but now he is only referred to as Vayishaer ach Noach. Only Noach was left. Where are all the titles? Where did they go to? No Tzadik, no Tamim. What happened? He's only called Noach. In fact, he's referred to as Isha Adama, the man who works the land. What happened to the titles? And he explains, before the flood, Noach was surrounded by all the wicked people in his generation, and compared to them, he really was a tzaddik tamim, a complete righteous individual. But after the flood, when no one is around, now we see who Noach is. And Noach is just a simple person, Isha Adama, a man who works the Adama. That's why all the titles were taken away. Rav Meir Shapir ben Lublin explained, a tzaddik that doesn't do enough to fix the generation goes lower and lower in his madrega, in his level of service of Hashem. Noach didn't do enough to fix the entire generation. Therefore, before the flood, he was a tzaddik tamim, a complete righteous individual, but then he went down a level, because after the flood, the Torah calls him Isha Adama, a man who works the land. We've got to make sure to take care of our own spirituality, but to take care of others as well.